Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Cozy Chat, a slow English podcast which helps you to learn English in a fun and natural way. I am Maria, and today we are going to do some affirmations together. Now, many of you may know what affirmations are, but for those of you who don't, affirmations are short, positive sentences that we say to ourselves to make us feel stronger, more confident, and more motivated. When you say affirmations out loud, you are training your mind to think in a more positive way. You are helping your brain to think, I can do this. When you feel more confident, you try more, you practice more, and you keep going, even when it gets difficult. Because of this, it makes your goals easier to reach. Learning English is hard, and sometimes things like affirmations can really help you when things get difficult or you feel like you're stuck. Affirmations can really help you to feel more confident, more positive, and to just enjoy learning English more and to focus on your end goal. So before I begin, I wanted to explain some ways that will help these affirmations be more powerful. Don't just say these sentences. Really think about what you're saying and feel it. The energy behind the words is more important than the words themselves. Look at yourself in the mirror while saying them. When you look at yourself in the eye and say positive phrases, it makes them feel so much more powerful. Repeat them often. Make it a habit. It's great to say them in the morning when you first wake up to get a positive start to your day, or right at night before you go to bed, so you can just let these positive phrases sink in while you're sleeping. Write them down. You can write down your favorite affirmations in a journal or even on a sticky note and put it on your bathroom mirror. That way you see these affirmations multiple times a day. I'm also playing some light music in the background because this makes the affirmations feel more powerful. Okay, on to the affirmations. I will say each affirmation twice. I will say it once and then pause so you can repeat. Then I will say it again and leave a pause so you can repeat a second time. Here we go. I am smart and I can learn English. I am smart and I can learn English. I learn quickly when I try. I learn quickly when I try. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. Learning makes me stronger and happier. Learning makes me stronger and happier. I love discovering new words and phrases. I love discovering new words and phrases. I am excited to keep learning. I am excited to keep learning. I can learn English, and I will not give up. I can learn English, and I will not give up. Every day, my English gets better. Every day, my English gets better. I am proud of the progress I am making. I am proud of the progress I'm making. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am not afraid to make mistakes. My mistakes help me to learn and improve. My mistakes help me to learn and improve. I can communicate, even if I make mistakes. I can communicate, even if I make mistakes. I am committed to learning English. I am committed to learning English. I keep learning, even when it feels difficult. I keep learning, even when it feels difficult. I am patient with myself, because progress takes time. I am patient with myself, because progress takes time. I choose to continue and not to quit. I choose to continue and not to quit. English is opening new doors for me. English is opening new doors for me. English helps me to build a better future. English helps me to build a better future. English gives me more confidence in life. English gives me more confidence in life. English connects me with the world. English connects me with the world. My future is brighter because I'm learning English. My future is brighter because I'm learning English. I will keep learning English no matter what. I will keep learning English no matter what. All right, guys. So if you made it through all of those affirmations, then congratulations. I know I feel better after saying these positive phrases. These can be applied to any part of your life. Today, I just did affirmations about learning English, but you can do these that are related to any other topic in your life. I really hope that you feel better after saying them, and don't forget to repeat these often because you will really start to notice the difference in how you feel. Thank you all so much for watching or listening. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next episode. Bye.